Davenport's been a staple in the multi-spindle screw machine industry for the better part of a century.
Davenport itself and the Davenport Machine are built on a long-standing heritage.
The only multi-spindle machine made in America, Davenport machines have been known for generations of manufacturers as robust and dependable. With the introduction of the hybrid machine, versatility is now also front and center. Manufactured proudly in Rochester, New York with precision, the highest level of quality, and unwavering attention to detail. Our unrelenting pursuit of innovation has led us to this. When you use it, you'll agree. This is the quietest and most versatile Davenport ever. And considering we've been in business over 125 years, that's quite the claim. Experience it for yourself.